SP Tools 236-piece metric and SAE toolkit in Custom Series roller cabinet. Custom Series is SP Tools' mid-size storage system. The wide series roller cabinets are 1070mm wide and 480mm in depth. It features 11 drawers with various depth configurations. This series also includes a clip-on side cabinet with a single door cupboard and adjustable shelf for custom storage. The roller cabinet features a steel worktop with a corrugated rubber cover. The drawers are equipped with full extension 28 ball bearing slides. The slides are rated to 40 kilograms per pair, and on the larger drawers with dual slides this increases to 80 kilograms. The side of the box is equipped with easy grip handle which can be fitted on either side to suit any workspace. The roller cabinet features 4 heavy-duty casters, 2 fixed and 2 swivel. The swivel casters have an easy one-touch brake hold and release. The roller cabinet features high-quality dual-layer UV-resistant powder coat. The tools: SP Tools 84-piece metric and SAE socket set in EVA foam. The kit includes quarter drive metric and SAE sockets from 4 to 14mm and 3/16 to ½ inch. 3/8 drive metric and SAE sockets 8 to 19mm and 5/16 to 3/4, and ½ inch drive metric and SAE sockets 13 to 32mm and ½ inch to 1 1/4. 2 3/8 drive spark plug sockets 5/8 and 13/16, quarter 3/8 and ½ inch drive soft grip 45 tooth ratchets, quarter 3/8 and ½ inch drive soft grip breaker bars, and a range of quarter 3/8 and ½ inch drive extension bars, and a range of socket drive adapters. In addition to the EVA set, the socket range also includes 2 sets of 3/8 drive deep sockets on rails, 10 to 19mm and 5/16 to 3/4. A 9-piece quarter drive metric and SAE in-hex bit socket set with 3 to 6mm and 1/8 to 1/4 inch, and a 10-piece 3/8 drive metric and SAE in-hex bit socket set 6 to 10mm and 3/16 to 3/8. SP Tools 25-piece metric and SAE spanner set in EVA foam. The kit includes quad drive combination spanners 6 to 19mm and 1/4 to 7/8. SP Tools combination spanners have 2 exclusive features that set them apart. The quad drive open end. This feature enables the open end of the wrench to grip on 4 sides of the fastener instead of the normal 2. The gripping point moves away from the corner of the fastener to the flat side due to the internal radius corners that are part of the internal design of the wrench. The dual flat drive ring end. This feature has 2 parts. First, the unique shape of the internal ring causes the fastening force to be applied to the flat side of the fasteners rather than the corners. The second is the flat top and bottom of the ring end. By not chamfering the internal ring of the wrench, we have extended the length of the contact to the fastener. This is extremely useful when dealing with damaged bolts or where bolts are recessed and access is limited. SP Tools 12-piece chrome alloy screwdriver set with induction hardened tips, 6 Phillip head screwdrivers from 38mm to 150mm in length, 6 standard blade screwdrivers from 38mm to 150mm in length. All screwdrivers features SP Tools ergonomic dual texture soft grips. SP Tools chrome alloy pliers and cutters with induction hardened cutting and grip points. These include a 200mm diagonal cutter with dual texture grips, 200mm long nose plier with dual texture grip, and 200mm combination plier with dual texture grip. A 250mm 3 rivet heavy duty locking plier that features chrome alloy jaws, a 250mm heavy duty multi grip plier made from chrome alloy steel, and a 250mm adjustable wrench made from chrome alloy steel. SP Tools S2 chrome alloy steel 9-piece hex and Torx key set, 9-piece metric set 1.5 to 10mm, 9-piece SAE set 1/16 to 3/8, and 9-piece Torx set T10 to T50. A 7-piece chrome moly pin punch set, sizes 2mm through to 10mm. A 16-ounce ball peen hammer with genuine hickory handle from a certified FSC timber source. A 31-piece bit set including a quarter drive low profile mini ratchet with metric bits 1.5 to 7mm, SAE bits 1/16 to 1/4, and Torx bits T8 to T45. The kit also includes an SP Tools 8 metre tape measure and a 4-piece mini hook and pick set.